the Teradata SQL Assistant to practice your queries. So basically, this is a free version from Teradata website is available, and we can actually give you the instructions how to install this, because we need a VMware player, a server like this to have this Teradata on your machine, because this is your Linux server. Basically, you have to install on Windows environment. So this is a TD Express 14.3 version /10 4 GB version, which is available in Teradata registration itself, and we have to load very carefully this Teradata image on the VMware player, and then the Teradata SQL Assistant, which will be used for your queries. So this is completely hands-on session. So we'll be talking about with each examples, like how to write a query, how to create a table, and all the stuff, right? So for example, so you have some different way of representing, in this one. Basically, this is the SQL Assistant where you can write your queries, all the queries, how it displays the data like this. The Teradata SQL Assistants would be. So we'll be teaching you like all the queries on SQL Assistant here, like how to write your queries and how to optimize your queries, because the SQL plays a very crucial role in your day-to-day activities. So Teradata SQL is very very important to have all the utilities in place, because all the BTEC, MLOAD, FLOAD, all these utilities will be majorly dependent on your SQL. So we'll talk about, for example, if we wanted to see this explain plan for this query. So this is the explain plan. It is saying that we do an all amp operation retrieval, because with no residual conditions, because we haven't given any conditions here. Select star from students, it will be a complete scan of the table with all amp operation. As I told you, without any primary index, it will not be limited to a single amp or one amp. So for example, if I say where name is equals to, let's say, Robert, right, I have created index on the name here. So if I just explain plan for this scenario, now if you see the difference between these two, you can easily find out. We do an all amp earlier, and now we do a single amp retrieval based on the primary index student name, because the primary index is one of the key thing in Teradata where you can restrict your data to a single or unique row. So now what happens is, when I say name is equal to that some name, right? So that is a primary index on the table. So name will have only single amp operation with one row, and it's saying that with high confidence, with estimate with high confidence, right? So that is what I mean when you say with the primary index. What actually happens is, this is the performance improvement, right? So basically, with a high confidence and a single row operation, and the spool size will be less for this. So the thing is, you have to know how you have to frame your queries, right? Basically, so this is the SQL Assistant we use for Teradata on our day-to-day cross and practices purposes. Okay, and this is the server where you write your all your BTEC scripts and all, because we cannot write BTECs in the SQL directly. So this is the terminal, and this is the server, Teradata server. So basically, you can create all these BTEC scripts, mload, float script here, and we can actually work on this. So ultimately, we are calling the same database here in the SQL. So only thing is, we are actually using the server directly for writing our queries. So in real time, we may use the Linux environment to use the same thing. So we are using the Linux environment here as well. So in real time, we may not be using directly the Teradata server to write your queries, but more or less a Unix server is required to write your BTEC scripts, right? So we are using the same thing here as well. So it is pretty much similar to the real-time environment. So we need to have the VMware player and the SQL Assistant for you to practice. And the main thing is, for supporting VMware player, you should have latest processor on your laptop, at least i3 or i5 or i7 processor, because otherwise the virtualization will not support for your Teradata systems. So we have to get a latest configuration for this to support your database, the VMware player, and this version of this database. So this is about the prerequisites, for your Teradata to be installed on your laptop. Okay, we'll be providing you the instructions for how to load the data. I mean, how to install the software and how to download it. We can give you the download copy directly. and we can give you the instructions separately. Like we can help you in case you're not able to load, I mean, install the software, right? So this is about the installation of software, and we'll be helping each student on a one-to-one basis in case they require, because sometimes it might not be easy to install directly as such, right? So we can assist you with that, not a problem. And Teradata Studio Express is also there. Instead of Teradata SQL Assistant, we can actually use Teradata Studio Express as well, as part of our training. Like we can actually see the same data here, whatever we find the query, right? So we can actually use the same uh, SQL here, like to write or frame it. So it will just show you the same data here in the down, similar to the SQL Assistant. This is also very well designed by the Teradata system itself. It's called Teradata Studio Express. So we can use either Studio Express or the SQL Assistant, either of these two, to work on your SQLs. Alright, and finally, what I say is, if you want a demonstration or you want to join the registration for this Teradata course, you can contact thebigclasses.com, or you can contact us at info@bigclasses.com with the given numbers. Please reach out to us for any queries you have on Teradata sessions, so we can provide you the best. Thank you.